What's up, y'all? Rox have another Duck Life video. But today we're gonna be training a little bit more. Trying to get our duck level really high. Oh, that was unexpected. Nobody here cares about coins. I don't know, maybe except for the people who want to get a bunch of energy bird feed. I don't need to get that though. I'm gonna be getting a bunch of it inside of the end to upgrade my energy. Why has these gotta be so far? Why can't these just be straight down? No. The annoying thing is like it gets faster as you go. But yeah, y'all, we be chilling, fool. Wow, we're only running level 73. That's crazy. Yeah, we're gonna try to get to running like level, like I'm pretty sure I said, like at least like 80 or 90. No, I think I said we gotta get to at least 90. I'm not gonna be stingy on this one. Okay, a 3 jump. There we go, boys. Got that coin. Got that number 4 jump right there. Fool. Number 4 jump. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, there we go. We just died right there. Level 81. Let's try that one more time. We're really close to getting to level 90. Get that perfect coin get. Slide. 2, 2. Right? No, maybe not. I know how to play. I just really suck at this one. I think this one levels us up the quickest, or the most. I don't know if they thought this was supposed to be hard or not, because it is not really that hard. All you do is press these certain buttons at certain times. And they have to be certain. It's 3 levels. That's 4 levels. Oh, we could have made that one. That's 5 levels right there. We just gotta get to that 20 points. We can get leveled up 2 more times. Perfect coin grab. Legit, bro. Coin grab. 4. Yo. 2 swag. I always get mixed up with 4 and 2. Like, I always end up clicking 4 instead of number 2, and I'm supposed to get number 2. It really, really angers me. Like, I panic sometimes. I don't know why. Never forget that your parent. Oh! Oh! Oh, I died right there. That's pretty good though. I got like 6 levels. 95. That's pretty good. Let's get to 100. Let's get to 100. Fool, I ain't waiting for that. Oh, I got up right there and bonked my head. Dump. Okay, let's go. Let's try to get to level 100 for swimming and running, so we can outdo all the ducks. Because I'm a beast. I expect you to think that they would know that you're gonna know that there's a break right there, and then they make you think that there's not, and then you get all panicky. But we're for sure gonna surpass 100 right here very easily. That's what I love about this. Perfect coin grab. I always end up mixing up 4 with 2. I try to do 2 and I panic and then I get 4. Level 103. That's pretty good. Nah, bro, we already did that one.
Huh?
Nothing.
Is your thing falling over?
What thing? It's the thing, but you're supposed to be leaning back. These legs aren't very sturdy, so
why don't you try putting him in the toy bin where you can like gap him out where he can lean a bit better against the wall?
I'll do adjust him a little. There we go. Stability is not in this family. Let me.
Any messages or anything?
Nope, not a message. Not even one. There we go. We're gonna get.
You for your internet usage on there?
Why?
Because it's got my SIM card in it, and my SIM card has free internet, so I end up with no internet left on the card because you used it.
Oh damn, bro! You have internet on this card? I know it. What?
This documentary being called the most dangerous race to go to school.
Yeah?
That's like 2,000 feet in the air and ship riding and crash.
Yeah? It's crazy. Trying to get to like 100 or level 100 swimming here. Alligator. Tree. 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 Alligator. Tree. Alligator. Alligator. Log. It's the same thing as tree. I just said log. Tree. Log. Tree. Log. Oof. Let's go, baby. We got it to 103, level 103. Let's go. Well, let's go beat this chicken fool. Oh, yeah. But you have 103 on speed and swimming. And I have a lot of energy, bro. I ate a lot of energy seeds. I, however, do not have swimming, though. I have swimming. I have speed. Well, I have swimming and I have running. You don't. You're slow. Give me that ticket, you fool. Not the Strong Nationals, but that's a wussy name. We're just gonna call this one. That's our team name. Our team name is Egg. See, I'm already faster than all y'all. Y'all are so far behind. I'm gonna beat y'all in swimming too, bro. Y'all see how speedy I am, bro? Excused. Come. That was an easy win. Y'all are slow. That's the first race only? Bro, I can't imagine the second. Wait, no, this is the second race. No, this is the third race, bro. This is the last race. Y'all suck. Y'all be noobs, though. I've already outslid y'all, outrun y'all, and outswam y'all. Is this game actually that easy? It's too easy to train is the problem. It's way too easy to train. Was that like, what was that, second round? No, that was third round. No, here's the third round. We did that first round, the second round. Wait, are we doing 4 rounds for this? No, we're not. We're doing 3. So this is our third round. Got that mixed up. Swimming, easy. Running, easy. Mudslide, easy. Running, very easy. Swimming, pathetic. What, are we just gonna keep on going until I lose? No. Courageous flyers. You guys can't even fly. What the heck are you guys talking about? Mountains? Let's do a little bit of flying. This should be very easy. Got a message.